Oh yeah, peanut butter cup Dorito sausage car panini.
And let's spit it out, because it's really, really disgusting. Try to make a halfway palatable version of this sandwich. Take a picture, tag me on Instagram, hashtag, I don't know, Babish Panini.
Hey there guys, welcome to another episode of, wait, hold on, what the heck? So if you couldn't tell, I am doing the binging with Babish recipe thing. Now before we get into the main part of this project, the first and most obvious question is, Lewis, why are you doing this? This is a channel about making things, and a sandwich is definitely a thing. So I think it absolutely fits. In case Andrew's watching, hey Andrew. We met at VidCon, it was super cool. All right, let me cut to the chase. Let's bring out the ingredients. All right, so we got the Armour Vienna sausage. We've also got Doritos, classic nacho cheese flavor. Made sure that I picked up some bread, and I got a big pack of Reese's peanut butter cups. Now the first thing I'm gonna do here is try a Vienna sausage, because that is something that I have not had the pleasure of having yet. My idea of what I'm gonna say are allowed modifications to this sandwich we're trying to do is make a car panini. In my mind, means that you have to be able to make it in the car. Now, I don't own a panini press, so I'm gonna use a frying pan, but ultimately, it's the same thing. I'm not gonna be frying anything in a way that I wouldn't be able to do on a panini press in a car. I also won't use any ingredients that will spoil. One of the key points of the car panini is that all of the ingredients are shelf stable. Those rules in mind, the sausage. Bottoms up. They actually taste a lot like Spam, which is good. Back in Boy Scouts, we actually did cook Spam. I think that's what I'm gonna try first with these. I guess let's jump right into it. Now, if you're trying to play along at home with your panini press, this is the point at which you probably want to put the panini press down. I want to try what we got so far and see what we're working with. That's not half bad. I mean, well, no, it's half bad. So the thing about ketchup is the ketchup has a little bit of sweetness to it. So if you add ketchup, combined with all the rest of the savory in this sandwich, it's kind of like hot dog meets peanut butter and jelly, which seems gross, but is not as bad as you would expect. I can tell you one thing, and that is that these hot dogs are significantly better than they were uncooked. A little bit more. Let's try some mustard. Put it on there. My dad was right. Mustard covers all sins. All right. That's the recipe. This is 100% the recipe. Yeah, this is it. This is the move. Not only am I gonna finish this sandwich, damn it, mustard, Babish. Mustard is the solution to your problem. All right, here you go. Step 1, panini press the crap out of your franks. Step 2, panini press the bread itself. Step 3, crush 2 Doritos, and then take some Doritos and create a thin layer that is unbroken. You want that crunch to add to the sandwich. If it's mushy, it's disgusting. Grab some ketchup and mustard packets out of the door of your car. Apply to your sandwich. After you apply this half of the sandwich to the bread, take the Reese's cup, get it melted, spread that Reese's cup like it's the peanut butter version of Nutella. Toss it back on the press, warm it up, and take one good bite. That's absolutely it. All right, myth busted. Alrighty, As far as I'm concerned, this one joins the Clean Plate Club. Babish, thanks for the contest. Wise guys, see y'all next time.
The perfect harmony.
Damn, I really overbought on Vienna sausage.